Your team's safety just became a top priority, and that's exactly where it should be. Thank you for signing up with Freedom Facilities for our free safety training. By taking this step, you're not just checking a compliance box, you're investing in your team's well being and your company's future. Thank you for choosing Freedom Facilities. Look out for your training access soon. And remember, safety starts with you. Our free safety training covers essential topics like hazard awareness, emergency procedures, and best practices for a safer workplace. Empowering your team with this knowledge helps build a culture of care and responsibility across your organization. Stay tuned for your training access email and feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Together, let's make safety a shared success. Thank you again from all of us at Freedom Facilities.